Hello students, welcome to our English grammar class. In my previous video, we studied about sentences and its part. In this video, I will discuss about the kinds of sentences. But to move on further, I would like to request all my students to keep making notes of these lectures. So let's move on. Basically, sentences are of four types. In this video, I'm going to take one by one all the types of sentences with the help of examples so that you can understand it in a better way. So here, first we'll start with the first kind of sentence, that is interrogative sentence. But to move on further with our definition, I would like to discuss that what is interrogative means. Interrogative means asking or denoting a question, inquiring or examining, isn't it? So, by the meaning of this interrogative, you can easily guess the definition of interrogative sentence as well. Like, interrogative sentences are those sentences which is used to ask a question. As I said earlier, that interrogative means denoting a question or asking or inquiring or examining. The same way we can say that if someone asks a question or puts a question in front of you, it's said to be an interrogative sentence. Like the first example is here, do you like pepperoni pizza? Is this a question? Yes, it is a question. Somebody is asking you that do you like pepperoni pizza? क्या तुम्हें पेपरोनी पिज़्ज़ा पसंद है? ये एक सवाल है आपके सामने, और जब इस तरह के सवाल आपके सामने आते हैं तो हमें समझ जाना चाहिए कि ये किस सेंटेंस की बात हो रही है, इंटेरोगेटिव सेंटेंस की. एंड ऑलवेज रिमेंबर दिस दैट इट एंड्स विद अ क्वेश्चन मार्क. ये हमेशा किससे एंड होते हैं? क्वेश्चन मार्क से. सो इट विल बी ईजी फॉर यू टू आइडेंटिफाई एन इंटेरोगेटिव सेंटेंस इफ दैट स्टेटमेंट एंड्स with a question mark. Like if we come to our second example, have you seen my umbrella? क्या तुमने मेरा छाता देखा है? The third example, who is your teacher? तुम्हारी टीचर कौन है? These all are the example of interrogative sentences. So now move on to our next kind of sentence, that is declarative sentence. But as I say, to move on further with our definition, first we'll discuss that what is the meaning of declarative. Declarative means expressed truth, or when you are boldly self-assured of something. So by the idea of the meaning, you can guess the definition as well. Declarative sentences are those sentences which makes a statement. Statement, what kind of statement you can say? Facts, or you can say an opinion, or you can say an idea. If such kinds of a statement comes in front of you, that in which you are very assured, in which you are very confident, and in which there is a fact, there is an opinion, then you can say it's a declarative sentence, or you can say that it's an assertive sentences as well. Like, and don't forget that these type of statements always end with the full stop. So here are the few examples. That the first one is, he likes pepperoni pizza. After this statement there is a full stop. उसको क्या पसंद है? पेपरोनी पिज़्ज़ा. द एम्ब्रेला इज़ ग्रीन. छाता कैसा है? ग्रीन है. मिसेस स्मिथ इज़ अ टीचर. मिसेस स्मिथ एक टीचर है. तो यहाँ पे तीनों ही सेंटेंसेस में, so as you can see in all these three statements, you are self-assured. Like whatever statements you are saying over here, you are fully confident about it. Either it is fact, or it's an opinion, or you can say it's an idea. In all these three statements, you are fully confident and assured. Now let's move on to our next kind, that is imperative sentence. What imperative means? Imperative is a grammatical mode to express a command. So, by the meaning of imperative, you can guess an idea of the definition also. Like, imperative sentences are such sentences which gives command, which is used to permit or to give an order to someone or to request in front of someone or to put a suggestion. So these all kinds of statements comes under imperative sentences. ऐसे वाक्य जिसमें आप किसी को परमिट कर रहे हो, जैसे कि यू मे सिट नाउ, आप अब बैठ सकते हो, तो ये कैसा सेंटेंस है? आप किसी को परमिशन दे रहे हो, परमिशन ग्रांट कर रहे हो कि आप अब बैठ सकते हो, यू मे सिट नाउ, यू मे गो नाउ, आप अब जा सकते हो. In these kind of statements, what you are giving permission, isn't it? And if we talk about command, आदेश देना, go there, sit there, ठीक है, ये सारे सेंटेंसेस, ये सारे स्टेटमेंट्स क्या दर्शा रहे हैं? आदेश यानी कमांड दर्शा रहे हैं. ठीक है, अगर आप किसी से कोई रिक्वेस्ट करते हो, लेट मी गो नाउ, मुझे जाने दीजिए, तो यहाँ पे आप इस तरह के स्टेटमेंट्स क्या दर्शा रहे हैं? आइदर दे आर शोइंग रिक्वेस्ट, आइदर दे आर शोइंग परमिशन और कमांड और एन ऑर्डर. सो इन दिस एग्जाम्पल here you can see first one, go to your room, तुम अपने कमरे में जाओ, throw me the ball. These statement, मुझे बॉल फेंको, these statement shows command, isn't it, or an order. So you can say that these kind of sentences always end with the full stop. As so next kind is exclamatory sentences. एक्सक्लेमेटरी सेंटेंसेस कौन से सेंटेंसेस होते हैं? जिसमें आप अपने मन की भावना उत्पन्न करते हो, किसी के सामने आप कोई सडन फीलिंग्स या अपना सडन मूड शो करते हो, एक्सप्रेस करते हो या अपने इमोशंस बताते हो. दोज स्ट्रॉन्ग फीलिंग्स, दोज इमोशंस, दोज moods are comes under the exclamatory sentences. So you can say such sentences that are used to express sudden emotions or mood or strong feelings are comes under the exclamatory sentences. As you can say that these strong emotions could be of anything, like आपके ये इमोशंस कुछ भी हो सकते हैं. आइदर इट इज़ ऑफ जॉय, आइदर इट इज़ ऑफ सॉरो, आइदर इट इज़ ऑफ वंडर और इट इज़ ऑफ एन एंगर, इजंट इट? ये सारे जो मूड्स हैं आपके, ये सारे जो इमोशंस हैं, ये जो आपकी भावना है, ये किसी भी तरह की हो सकती है. आप जब हैप्पी होते, व्हेन यू फील हैप्पी, व्हाट यू कैन से दैट फैंटास्टिक, मार्वलस, व्हाट अ ब्यूटिफुल फ्लावर, है ना? सो दीज you can say in, you can express in when you feel happy. Okay, when you were in a sad position or you are in sad mood, what you will say? How tragic it is, how sad, isn't it? And when you feel surprised, what you say? Oh my god, it's amazing, extraordinary, phenomena. So these are the feelings, these are the emotions, and these emotions could be of sorrow, could be of joy, could be of wonder, could be of anger. So these kind of statements come under the exclamatory sentences. So to identify exclamatory sentences, what you can see in the end, that there is an exclamation mark, as you can see in the example over here. Hooray! After hooray, there is an exclamation mark. Wow, that's a great news. There is also an exclamation mark. So by this, you can easily identify an exclamatory sentences. So here we studied all the 4 kinds of sentences. Now it's time to practice. I provide you few sentences. I'll give few sentences in front of you and you have to identify that what kind or what particular kind of that sentence is. So let's start with the first one. Are you going to the movies tonight? तो क्या आप बता सकते हैं कि ये किस तरह का सेंटेंस है? See, very easy. It's an interrogative sentence. Why it is an interrogative? Because here you are asking a question that are you going to the movies tonight? Now, next is in front of you is what a great movie that was. What a great movie that was. सी बहुत इजी आंसर है इसका एक्सक्लेमेटरी कैसे जाना हमने क्योंकि ये क्या शो कर रहा है हमारी सडन और स्ट्रॉन्ग फीलिंग और कैसे इमोशंस को शो कर रहा है हैप्पी इमोशंस और हैप्पी मूड को शो कर नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू इज देयर आर मेनी डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ एनिमल्स एट द जू कैन यू गेस दैट व्हाट काइंड ऑफ सेंटेंस इट इज वेरी इजी डिक्लेरेटिव सेंटेंस क्यों ये डिक्लेरेटिव सेंटेंस है क्योंकि यहाँ पे आप फुली अश्योर्ड हो वट एवर स्टेटमेंट यू आर सेइंग हेयर इट इज़ प्योरली अ फैक्ट और यू कैन से एन असर्शन इजंट इट नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस है आपके सामने ओपन टू चैप्टर 5 ऑफ योर मैथ बुक किस तरह का सेंटेंस होगा ये वेरी इजी इम्पेरेटिव सेंटेंस क्यों क्योंकि यहाँ पे आप एक कमांड दे रहे हो आप किसी को ऑर्डर दे रहे हो दैट ओपन योर चैप्टर 5 ऑफ योर मैथ्स बुक नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस आपके सामने है बॉब हैज़ एन आईपॉड बॉब के पास क्या है आईपॉड है किस तरह का सेंटेंस है ये वेरी इजी स्टूडेंट्स इट्स अ डिक्लेरेटिव सेंटेंस इजंट इट अगला सेंटेंस आपके सामने है बी केयरफुल विद योर आईपॉड किस तरह का सेंटेंस है ये इम्पेरेटिव सेंटेंस इजंट इट वेरी वेल स्टूडेंट्स कीप डूइंग लाइक दिस नाउ द नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू इज iPods are amazing. What kind of sentence it is? That iPods are amazing. Very good. Exclamatory sentence. Next is, please pass the salt and pepper. Imperative sentence. Why? Because it is showing a request. Thank you. I hope you understood it well.